Just gonna do a quick trade recap on the trade I took on NASDAQ, secured $1,000 profit today. Pretty quick trade, pretty easy trade. So just going into the day today, didn't really have a clear direction at the time. Get rid of all this stuff real quick. As you can see, we were right here in this range. So we didn't know if we wanted to continue towards all-time highs or dig deeper into these 4-hour and daily gaps that we have. Similar with ES. So really going to today, I could see us going either direction. And once we had market open, which I'll mark out real quick, this blue line. We had market open. We had some good buying pressure right here, headed towards this 15-minute gap. And originally my first bias was we wanted London highs, which I'll mark out real quick. We wanted London highs right here, and we inversed this 5-minute gap. I wanted to see this 15-minute gap get inverse, which we didn't end up doing. And then on ES, I'll switch over to that real quick. ES, we weren't even able to get that 5-minute gap flip, which was more of a bearish sign. So at the time, I was still leaning more towards the upside. But again, I could see it going either way, 50-50 shot. So I really just wanted to see how ES was reacting, which obviously you can see was a slow grind down. This PA right here is pretty bad. Just, really wicky, not clear direction, but obviously just a slow grind down towards the downside. So that was that. Once I saw ES starting to do this, it slowly switched my bias over to bearish toward the short side. So once we did that, really started seeing some selling pressure on NASDAQ. That's when I fully flipped my bias to shorts. And really all I wanted to see was we had already flipped this 5-minute gap. There was a 15-minute gap I wanted to see get flipped as well, which we did both on this candle right here at 710. And then once we basically flipped that, that confirmed my bias for shorts. And then I was just waiting for an entry, which luckily we did get. So we came all the way down here. I'll hop down to the 1 minute real quick. Get rid of these things real quick. Came down here, tagged into this 4-hour, I believe it is. Let me confirm. Yeah, tagged into this 4-hour. Wanted to see a slight bounce, get an entry, and basically got a picture perfect entry. Tagged back into this 15-minute and instantly rejected, as well as almost tagged into the CE of the 5-minute. So it's really just a perfect entry. Once rejected off that, entered right here at 25,231. Targeted down to, I was originally targeting down to the lows, but I didn't really feel like going all the way down. I just wanted to secure profit. So I secured 50 points all the way down to 21 or 25,181. 50 points. This was a, 8-minute trade, 7-minute trade. So very clean, very quick. We were basically just waiting all morning to see what price wanted to do. And then once price actually started moving and giving good price action, acted right away, secured profit. As you can see, this went way lower. You could have gone all the way down here, secured a lot more profit. And just to show those real quick, 489 on the Apex account. And then let me get the top step real quick. Anyways, you can at least see at the top, 536 profit. So overall, $1,000 on the day, very solid day, very good day. Again, really the only thing I feel like you could say is, I could have held longer, obviously at least doubled, if not made more than my profit. I really could care less. I was happy with my profit, happy with the $1,000, both on funded accounts. Really the goal is just to secure your profit, get your slice of the pie. You don't have to chase the entire move and catch top to bottom, right? Just catch a piece of it. Do that consistently, you'll make money over time, right? We don't need to catch 100-point, 200-point trades every single day, even though it's cool. And I definitely could have done it. Be happy with your profits, have a set goal. And once you hit your goal, be happy with that. If it goes over your goal, perfect. If it doesn't, oh well, but take your slice of the pie, do that consistently. That's what's going to build profit over time. And that's pretty much everything. Up over 1,000 on the day, quick trade, 6-7 minutes, pause. And thank you for watching.